This old iPhone may look completely worthless, but hidden inside this tiny device are hundreds of electronic components, and some of them contain incredibly valuable materials. Today, we're taking this phone apart and following the journey of those materials from the motherboard to the final result. First, the display is carefully separated from the chassis, revealing the battery, cameras, speakers, cables, and the main logic board. Once the board is removed, we can finally see the microscopic world hidden inside the phone. Under extreme magnification, tiny gold-plated contacts and connector points become visible across the circuit board. Gold is used in electronics for an important reason. It resists corrosion and provides reliable electrical connections even when the components are exposed to years of use. Using precision tools, the small plated contact pieces are carefully separated from the electronic board and collected together. After collection, the recovered material is prepared for high-temperature processing. As the temperature rises, the material gradually changes and forms a small molten mass. The glowing material is then transferred into a graphite mold and left to cool. And finally, the transformation is complete. What started as a discarded smartphone has become a small piece of recovered metal. The result may look tiny, but it gives us a fascinating look at the hidden value inside modern electronic waste.